try. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can make it, but just watch me try. Watch me try. When it feels like all my chances in an empty size, I remember that the only thing that I can lose is pride. You know I got to try, even though my heart is on the line. Even if I'm broken on the inside, there's nothing I won't do to make it right. You know I got to try. All I know is nothing certain, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. It's only myself that I'm hurting if I don't try. If I don't try. When it feels like all my hopes and dreams are shattered into dust, I remember that the only thing I have to do is trust. And you know I got to try, even though my heart is on the line. Even if I'm broken on the inside, there's nothing I won't do to make it right. You know I got to try. Even if I've stopped at every turn, even if I lose it, crash and burn, I won't quit until your love I've earned. You know I got to try. Don't need anyone to tell us this is golden. I can see that there are diamonds in your eyes tonight. We don't need anyone to tell us to be open. We'll open up our wings and fly. Even though our hearts are on the line, even if we're broken on the inside, there's nothing we won't do to win this fight. You know we got to try. Even if we're stopped at every turn, even if we lose and crash and burn, we won't quit until our love we've earned. You know we got to try. I don't know if I can make it, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can make it, but just watch me try. Watch me try. When it feels like all my chances in an empty size, I remember that the only thing that I can lose is pride. And you know I got to try, even though my heart is on the line. Even if I'm broken on the inside, there's nothing I won't do to make it right. You know I got to try. All I know is nothing certain, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. It's only myself that I'm hurting. If I don't try, if I don't try, when it feels like all my hopes and dreams.
You know when you are actually in the flow?
I think that's a great question, Barbara. You know, just imagine being in a situation where you could tap into something, and having that ability to tap into it suddenly open vast amounts of confidence reservoirs within you that enabled you to, if you like, step out of your comfort zone and take on new challenges. So where does that come from? And my experience, that comes from practice. So you need, it's the power of practice, or the law of practice. It's someone that's so practiced in what they do that they have an ability to perform, to do something, and you can't help but look upon it in awe, because you realize there's mastery in what's being done. So you're drawn to it. Now that can happen in any sphere of life. That could be in your political life. When you stand up and talk, you could find yourself in flow. So